picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing.
Morning guys, good morning. What a wonderful way to start the vlog. I hope you guys can hear me, but I'm here for a meeting, so I'm just going to wrap up my meeting and I'll talk to you guys later. But just like doing the introduction and saying hi, welcome to a new vlog, and I'll see you guys later.
They run away before they say give cook something for them and they don't know.
Food is sweet.
Egg for you. What do you have to make the egg different?
Onion, garlic, ginger, tomato.
Is there bell pepper?
But there's carrots.
Carrots and egg. No. I think we just use the tomatoes then. Onions. No. Let me not do the one that.
Not the one that fall apart.
Let me make it simple and straight to the point.
Okay.
Onions and tomatoes will work.
Yes, onion and carrots.
Hi. So, in my uncle's house, I came to see them. I'm making lunch currently. Making lunch. This is work. This is actual work.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around. 'Cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying. You got it. I believe in you. There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah, always carrying that oh so heavy load. When you feel like there's too much on your plate, just call on me, and I'll help you carry some of that weight. Let you know that there's always a helping hand. 'Cause I know we can make it, yeah we can make it if we try. Yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying. You got it. You're go. I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground. Let you know that I'm always around. 'Cause I know we can make it. Yes, we can make it if we try. Keep on trying. You got it. I believe in you. You got it. I know you got this. You got it. Just keep on trying. Got it. There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah. Always carrying that oh so heavy load. When you feel like there's too much on your plate, just call on me, and I'll help you carry some of that weight. I wanna make you understand, let you know that there's always a helping hand. 'Cause I know we can make it, yeah we can make it if we try. Yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying. Got it. You're gonna make it. Got it. I believe in you. Keep on trying, girl. Got it. You're gonna make it. Got it. 'Cause I believe in you. Yeah. Just keep on trying. Keep on trying, girl. Got it. You're gonna make it. Got it. 'Cause I believe in you. Yeah. Keep on trying, girl. Got it. You're gonna make it. Keep on trying, girl. Got it. You're gonna make it.
This year. This year. Last year. Was it not this year? Okay, last year. It was last year. So last
Even
year.
me when she took me there, I shouted. She said pepper.
I think it's
Normally I was going to one place all you need to buy, but they now took me to the main
they just
place.
even their bag. You find like 6 people. I find
I
people that
shout-
will join and buy.
I shouted. I shouted I went mad. You say no.
This enough.
Alright.
Did you know?
This one is so crunchy.
Like it is very. Yeah.
Angel, the color net is box, right?
Hi. Meet Michael. Michael, say hi.
I think that's good for everybody here. How you guys doing tonight? Good to see you all. Welcome back. Welcome back. It's a live show. We're so glad this is our very first live show for Nigerian Idol Season 9. And look at this spot. Doesn't this go to a whole different... And we did not know your hips could move. Like, you know, you always come down here in those suits and everything.
Michael
right?
is
You
saying
stand
hi.
down with-
I think we look alike.
Yeah, Michael, you look alike.
I think we look alike. What do you think?
impeccable, you gave your 100, and you blew me away as usual. Fantastic work.
Guys, it's a new day. It's not a new vlog. It's been a week since I last vlogged, and I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, but yeah, today we have a few things planned today. The first thing is shopping. Oh, sorry for that noise. It's so annoying, and this is what I have to deal with every single day. But anyway, I'm shopping for an outfit. I need a dress for an event that's happening next week, so we're going dress shopping, which I'm excited about because I don't do that very often. I'm going with my mom because I need a second opinion, and I need someone to look at the price for me, because some of these places be just making up prices, and I need my mom there. Like, my mom still calls me when I'm going shopping, so that's what we're going to do for now. Then I have a few other things planned for the day, but we'll see how that pans out. But I'm going to be leaving now, or definitely take you guys along, because I'm just going into random shops. I don't have anything in mind. It's been a while since I went shopping, like walk in a store, because I'm always like shopping online, and at this point I've gotten a lot of what I ordered versus what I got, and I've learned my lesson quite a few times, so I don't want that. I want this to go perfectly, so I'm going to try on dresses, two-piece. I'm not really sure. Anything I see that catches my eye, I'm getting it, and I really hope I get something today, because the event is next week and I only have today free. So anyways, let's get going. I'm just waiting on my mom. She should be done soon, and we'll be leaving, and I'll catch you guys when we're there. I'm hitching a ride, then we're going to stop at our location and find a way to move around. We're just hitching a ride for now, and I'm on my way. Okay, Daddy, bye. So that I'll know when I come back.
My voice so pretty, so I could talk about it all night.
No opinions.
My voice so nice to me, doesn't matter what I do with my time. My voice so pretty, could go on and on about it all night. My voice so good to me, think I might just let him ruin my life. Why would I ever wanna wake up in the morning without him touring? It all just seems so boring. Why would I ever wanna do anything else? Let him be all by himself. I can't be all by myself. My boy's so pretty, so I could talk about it all night. My boy's so nice to me, doesn't matter what I do with my life. My boy's so pretty, so go on and
Definitely the next day, and today we're going to see a movie. I'm going with a friend, so I'm just quickly going to book my ride soon and we'll head out. I really love this outfit. I think this is like boo-boo to me at this point, because this is the second time I'm wearing this pants, and I need to get more. I really need to get more, and I really love my outfit. I tried a little something new. I love everything. So I'm going to be leaving soon, and we're just going to see a movie. I really want to see Sinners, that horror movie, but I think a new Marvel movie just came out soon, so I'm really indecisive. But if I have to go there another time to watch Sinners or the other one, I will do that. So I'm just going to head out soon, and yeah, let's go. My little OOTD, the sun is setting, so the light is that way, so it might be a little bit dark, but here's the look with my bag. I got this tank top yesterday. I was like, I'm looking for a tank top, and I finally got one. I'm so happy. And yeah, this is the look. I need to get more of this pants. Like, this is boo-boo to me. So let's head out. It's a little bit hot here, so Let me book my ride now, actually. And we can go. I'm so excited.
Struggling. They don't love me anyway. They don't love me anyway. Struggling. They don't love me anyway. Don't get my feelings hurt. I know the ceiling's gone. Don't get my feelings hurt. Not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt. Don't say I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt. I'ma vibe out together. Hey, I'ma vibe out together.
Hi guys, I literally just got back. That movie was so long. Anyways, I ended up picking Thunderbolts. Rather, it wasn't like my choice, but I really wanted to watch Cena, so I have to make time to go and watch that some other time. But it wasn't bad. Like, Marvel has not been hitting like before, so it was really like I don't know, like a very hard maybe. I watched that movie, but definitely going to I'm definitely seeing Cena's some other time. I just have to make time for that because it really took a lot of planning just to go for this one, so I have to just go and watch it basically because I've been hearing so much about this. So I'm just going to call it a day, freshen up, get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is work, so I have to like freshen up, have dinner. I think I want something to eat because I'm a little bit hungry. Have dinner, watch my movie. I'm currently watching White Lotus and it is so good. Like, I started watching it on Friday and I'm on season 2, so it's very, very good. Like, I highly recommend you watch that. So that's going to be all for this video. I'm going to be closing this vlog. This ended up being like a weekly vlog, which I did not plan on doing, but I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. And yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
My boy's so pretty, so I could talk about it all night. My boy's so nice to me, doesn't matter what I do with my time. My boy's so pretty, could go on and on about it all night. My boy's so good to me, think I might just let him ruin my life. Why would I ever wanna wake up in the morning without him when I'm touring? It all just seems so boring. Why would I ever wanna do anything else? Let him be all by himself. I can't be all by myself. My boy's so pretty, so I could talk about it all night. My boy's so nice to me, doesn't matter what I do with my life. My boy's so pretty, so I could go on and on about it all night. My boy's so good to me, think I might just let him waste all my time. So